I was just getting ready for the day, and I sort of drifted into this random place in my mind, thinking about how amazing women can be around us, right? And of course, as a post celebration of International Women's Day, right? So I was just asking myself, what is it in a woman that makes her special? Why do we celebrate women? And there are so many things that we see in a woman that makes us look at her and look up to her and respect her and things like that. And the thing is, it's not about physical attributes. It's not about what's on the surface, right? We appreciate women for the work that they do, for what they contribute to the community, to the world, how they inspire others, how they make you feel after you talk to them, how they empower women to be their better versions. And that's how I look at a woman to be a pure, true role model in today's society. A woman who supports other women. You know, it's easy to enjoy the applause, the recognition, and it's rewarding, of course, to be awarded credentials, right, for what you do. It definitely enforces or reinforces your work and convinces or confirms that you are doing something right. And that's a reward in itself. But the thing is, when you have these rewards and credentials and recognition and acclamations and all, how do you use this to inspire other women to be their better versions, to believe in themselves? And how do you use these to support other women? This is a thing that I love to do, and that many women I know love to do. And it's because we feel that together we are strong. And so I give a shout out to all the women out there who in one way or another inspire us all, who in their own little way or big way makes way for other women to be seen. Because that's what we should really be doing. You know, it's easier to look down, to criticize, to ridicule, to belittle, to discriminate, because somehow for others it may lift us up if we are suffering in misery or poor self-esteem or low self-worth. And it takes some effort to go out there and lift up others and create a circle of kindness and inspiration. But if all of us exert one little effort, each one of us will contribute to that one huge world where everyone wants to gather in. A world that acts like a magnet for other women to, I want to be there. I want to be a part of that. And then you feel welcome. You feel like everybody loves you. You feel valuable. It makes such a difference when we all just really come together and find the value, find the good in each one of us. I always believe that people are basically good. And let's bring it up to another level. That people will always find a way to search for that good in others, right? So many things that we can inspire others to be. And it's easier, again, I said, it's easier to turn away from what others are doing, the good that others are doing. But wouldn't it be wonderful if we give a shout out to everyone? So I'm hoping that with this not movement, not initiative, because everybody does this. I know so many people and I just cannot mention them because I might forget. But I've known so many people who lift other people up, where you're all spontaneous about inspiring one another and about really wanting to know about what the other one is doing, right? And that is the power that is inherent among us all. That is the secret to glowing. Why people glow. Why people just carry that act of kindness in every road, on every road they walk on, right? And this is how we act as good role models for the young. The world is very vain, materialistic. We don't even know which is true and which is AI. We see women who, and it's fine if women, older women, like I'm 64, it's fine if women want to look younger. But I would say, let's preserve our age gracefully and naturally, right? Because it's our way of telling the young not to be afraid to grow old. Not to be afraid of having wrinkles, like I have wrinkles. Not to be afraid of having jowls finally like go down and be defeated by gravity. Because we were young once. And so don't rush into, when you're very young, teenagers and all, don't rush into growing up, putting makeup and, trying to look old, because we'll get there. Life is a short journey. We're going to get there. So enjoy every year as you should. When you're older, you'll get the chance to look back to these years and say, wow, I'm glad I experienced being 16. I experienced being 21. And not, I experienced being 30 my entire life. Even as I turn 70, right? Let's enjoy our years. Let's empower each one to enjoy our years. And let's find the good in every one of us. Oh my gosh, I was just like, I need to sneeze. I just recovered from a cold, but see where our thoughts bring us, right? I was just thinking about inspiring women around me, and that inspires me a lot. So thank you to all of you who have touched my life in so many ways. And I hope I have touched yours too. And then I drifted into loving yourself, loving your age, not being afraid to go old. But bottom line is, we each have something to share with one another. We each have a story, and we just need to share that, because there's someone out there waiting to hear our story. You have an amazing, amazing day, and I hope that you only get the best of today. Tomorrow is another day, and it's going to be even better. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. I haven't even promoted myself, my platforms, but if you like this video, please give it a like, follow me on social media, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and together, let's enjoy life. Take care of yourself. Bye for now.